go. Does it work like that? Nice. If it does, perfect. We're set. Well, here we are in the garage. Had this car sitting for 4 years now. BMW E30 325i from the 1980s, I believe. And I want to start just repairing it. I want to see if I can get it done by the end of the summer. I don't know, challenge, 2 months. I'm gonna start working on the soft top. We have multiple rips. Gonna have to redo the stitching. I have a little bit of wear and tear and some good old duct tape. We're gonna leave that for now and focus on cleaning the plastic, get the duct tape off. I want to stitch it, put it back in, and after that redo the interior. I already have some work done in here. As you could see, the exhaust kind of just melted through the bottom body, so we had to get the holes redone here. We got another one right here. Focus is off. We got a bunch of just random tools. We got a little bit of a mess here. We're gonna have to clean it up, and I think, well, the interior is almost done, and yeah, I want to start working on the exterior. Let's see if we can get this window done today, or at least in the next 48 hours. And go from there. Yeah, for today, just gonna go old-fashioned exterior sewing material. Got some needles and thumbtack. I'll just get to it. Alright, so we got a problem here. Measuring across, got 43 inches. This, I don't know, cover seems to be replaced already. And fully stretched, doesn't even reach the top. So we're just gonna have to cut out the stitching, remove the glue, completely take this out, and buy a new thin plastic film. I mean, this one's already dirty too, so a new one would be nice. And then insert it, cut it accordingly, and then it'll fit much better than this one right now. So I'm gonna tackle that.